really. The vehicle is now A34 in towards Warsaw. It is a speed of 90 in a posted 30 limit. It is a dual carriageway, traffic is light. We've just mounted a curb. So it's standby. I've got one out on foot. It is off-road. It's one out and running. The driver's still in the vehicle. We're onto grassland. Passenger, IC1, green top, blue trousers, and vehicle is now returning to the road. Stand by for road name. 30 miles an hour. I'm on the Broadway North, outside 112. Vehicle's pulling over now of its own accord. Stand by. Out the car!